Hello friend, myself Rajesh from Universal Public School, Shahjani Aura. In last class, we study about financial planning about JST. Right? In that, we study about how to pay GST in stepwise. In next class, we study about shares. In your book, they given many definition related to shares. See in book page number 98, they given. See here, what is capital? See here, what is capital? See here, amount required to start a company is called capital. This capital is divided into small equal part. Each part of rupees 1, 2, 5, 10 or rupees 100 etc. So capital means amount required to start a company is called capital, right? And it divide into this small part is called share of the company. So capital means amount required to start a company is called capital, and it is divided into small part, rupees 1 rupees share, 2 rupees share. This small part we call shares. Next, these shares are sold in the share market to raise the capital. Next, definition of share. See here, what is share? A share is the smallest unit of the capital. A share is the smallest unit of a capital. Capital means the amount required to start a company is called capital, and the amount will be in the small part is called shares, right? See here, share. What is share? A share is the smallest unit of a capital. The value of a share is printed on the company certificate with other details, and it is called share certificate. Next, shareholder. Shareholder, a person who owns the share is called shareholder. So capital means the amount required to start a company is called capital. Shares means small part of a amount is called shares. And shareholders, what definition of shareholders देखो क्या है? A person who owns the share is called shareholder. The shareholder is a part of owner of the company in the proportion of number of shares she holds. Next, stock exchange. Stock exchange. What is stock exchange? See here. It is a place where buying and selling of shares takes place. तो स्टॉक एक्सचेंज मीन्स तो शेयर को हमें खरीदने और बेचने का एक मार्केट है, स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. नेक्स्ट, सी हियर, इट इज आल्सो नोन एज शेयर मार्केट और स्टॉक मार्केट, इक्विटी मार्केट और कैपिटल मार्केट. Companies should be listed in the stock market for trading. See here, the first capital means the company required amount is called capital. Share means who invested in the company. That is shareholder means who own the shares is called shareholder. Stock exchange means buying and selling the shares. It is a market or it is called stock market. Next, definition of face value. Face value or FV. See the definition of FV, face value. The value printed on the share certificate is called the face value of the share. So जो शेयर के ऊपर प्रिंटेड रहता है उसे फेस वैल्यू कहते हैं। सी द वैल्यू प्रिंटेड ऑन द शेयर सर्टिफिकेट इज कॉल्ड फेस वैल्यू ऑफ द शेयर। It is also called nominal value or printed value or par value. Next, market value. In short form, MV. The price at which the shares are sold or purchased in the stock market is called market value of the share. See here, face value means the value printed on the share certificate is called face value, and market value means the share is purchased or buying, then the value is called market value. Next, see here, if the company performance is better than expected, then those shares are in demand. The number of shares is fixed, therefore share supply could not be increased and hence the shares price increases. Suppose in one small company there is only 100 shares, right? But the given shares are not increases, but the value of share will be increases. Share, if the company, the number of shares is fixed, therefore share supply could not be increases and hence the share price भी increases. देखो एक कंपनी में 100 शेयर रहे तो 100 शेयर ही रहेंगे, लेकिन इसका वैल्यू जो रहेगा सपोज वन शेयर वैल्यू इज 10 रुपीज. Share increases means the value of one share will be 15 rupees or 20 rupees. Next, if the company is not doing well, the share price fall. Increases in price shown in green triangle. Green triangle. Green triangle upward, and decreases price shown by red triangle. See here, this is increases, this is decreases. This is the reason for increase and decrease in Sensex and Nifty index. Next, definition of dividend. See here, the part of annual profit of a company which is distributed per share among shareholder is called dividend. See here, the part of annual profit of a company which is distributed per share among shareholder is called dividend. If the company is performing well, then the value of share capital increases, hence the price of the share goes up. As a result, company gives good dividend for the shareholder and the dividend income is tax free. Dividend means suppose the company have the profit of 100 rupees and shareholder will be 10 and he divide the profit into equal part as a dividend, और जितना शेयर है उतने में डिवाइड करते हैं कंपनी में. नेक्स्ट वी सी द short example. Next, see here comparison of FE and MV. FE means face value and market value. See here condition 1, if MV is greater than FV. FV means face value. The value is printed on share certificate is called face value, and market value means the share is sold or sell in the share market and the value is called market value. Here if MV is greater than FV, market value is greater than FV, then the share is at premium. तो ये याद रखना है आपको। सपोज MV is greater than FV, then share will be premium. Next, second condition, if MV is equal to FV, then the share is at par. See here, if ME is greater than FE, then the shares is at a premium. If ME is equal to FE, ME means market value is equal to face value, then the share is at par. Next, third, if MV is less than FV, then the share is at discount. See here, if ME is greater than FE, then the share is at premium. If ME is greater than FV, then the share is at par. And if ME is less than FE, then the share is at discount. See here, ME means market value and FE means face value. Next, see here, sum invested. Definition of sum invested is very important. See here, total amount required to purchase the share is sum invested, and the formula of sum invested is equal to number of shares into market value. Here, sum invested, formula of sum invested is equal to number of shares into market value. See, in that example number 1, the given solved example number 1. See here, the given, if 50 shares of FV means face value of rupees 100 each are purchased for ME of rupees 120, find the sum of invested. See here, if 50 shares of FV, तो हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? सम इन्वेस्टेड. सॉल्यूशन ऑफ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सम इन्वेस्टेड इज इक्वल टू, तो फार्मूला क्या है? नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स इनटू MV. MV means market value, and they already given number of shares is 50. See here question, if 50 shares of FE is 100 each, purchase for ME rupees 120, find the sum of invested. See here, sum invested is equal to number of shares is 50 into MV is given 120. 12 5 is 60 rupees, 6,000 rupees. Next, question number 2, example number 2 is given. See here, if you want to purchase 50 share of MV is 50 rupees 50 each, what is the total amount to be paid? So the given shares are 50 and MV is given 50. See here, in second question solution, same formula, sum invested is equal to number of shares into MV. MV means market value. Number of shares are 50. Numbers of shares are 50 and MV is 50. So rupees 5 5 is 25. Right? Sum invested is equal to rupees 2,500 rupees. Next, see here, the next topic is rate of return. This is also one formula is given, and your book they given one problem you see in the textbook. See here, rate of return is equal to dividend divided by sum invested into 100. This is the formula of rate of return is equal to dividend upon sum invested into 100. See, these are the formula of how to find out the questions. Next, see here, solve example 2. The given FV is equal to rupees 100 and premium is given rupees 65. Then find market value. See here, solution of solved example number 2. See here, FE, and we know the three condition. If market value is greater than face value, then the share is at premium. See here, the given premium means MV is greater than FV. See here, then solution MV is equal to FV plus premium. See here, premium means MV is greater than FV. Suppose the shares are par, means MV is equal to FV. Discount means MV is less than FV. See here, MV is equal to FV. Face value is 100 rupees and premium is 65 rupees. Therefore, MV is 165 rupees per share. See, the remaining problems you see in the book. Suppose any doubt, then ask me. Next, we go to practice set 4.3. See, in practice set 4.3, question number 1. Complete the following table by writing suitable numbers and words. See here, just I will tell you first. The condition will be MV is, suppose MV is greater than FV, then the shares is at premium, and FV or MV is equal to FV, then the shares are par. And next, third condition is if MV is less than FV, then the shares are in discount. See here, in first, the given FV is equal to rupees 100 and share will be, share is at par, and find MV, right? Par means, we know that par means MV is equal to FV, right? Therefore, FV is given rupees 100 is equal to MV, rupees 100. Next, second, see here, premium. See here, share is at premium. Premium means if MV is greater than MV, means market value is greater than face value, right? Therefore, MV is equal to FV plus premium, right? See here, MV is given 575 is equal to, FV is not given, write FV as it is, and premium is 500, 575 take this side, minus 500 is equal to FV. Therefore, FV is equal to 575 minus 500 is 75 rupees. Therefore, rupees 75. Next, see here. Next, the given FV is 10 rupees and MV is 5 rupees. Means MV is less than FV. Third, MV is less than FV. Then the shares are at discount. You write here discount कितना है 5 रुपये discount, or you write only discount. Right? Next, see the next question of practice set 4.3, question number 2. See here, the given Mr. Amol purchased 50 share of face value rupees 100 when the market value of the share was rupees 80. Company had given 20% dividend. Find the rate of return on investment. See here, the given 50 shares and the value, face value as well as market value, and the given dividend 20% dividend. Find the rate of returns in investment. See the solution of question number 2. See, number of shares, the given already, number of shares is equal to 50 and the given FV is equal to rupees 100 and MV is equal to rupees 80. राइट, तो हमें फर्स्ट सम इन्वेस्टमेंट फाइंड आउट करना है. राइट, सम इन्वेस्टमेंट इन्वेस्टेड इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स इनटू MV. क्यों ये फाइंड आउट करना है, सम इन्वेस्टेड क्यों फाइंड आउट करना है? तो मैंने आपको पहले ही दिया था फार्मूला, रेट ऑफ रिटर्न इज इक्वल टू डिविडेंड डिवाइडेड बाय सम इन्वेस्टमेंट इनटू 100. दैट्स व्हाई वी फाइंड आउट द फर्स्ट सम इन्वेस्टेड ऑफ वन शेयर इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स इनटू MV. सी हियर, नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स इज 50 and MV is 80. 5 is 40 means 400 rupees. Next, dividend at one share is equal to the given 20%, right? 20% of FV, or you write here 100. तो डिविडेंड किसके ऊपर देते हैं, कभी भी फेस वैल्यू के ऊपर देते हैं. यू राइट हियर FV, राइट. 20 divided by 100 of means into 100 get cancelled, 20. The given dividend at one share is equal to rupees 20. So one share dividend is 20. We have 50 shares. Therefore, total dividend is equal to 50 into 20. Answer is 1000. 1000. Next, a rate of return is equal to dividend divided by sum invested into 100. Right? Dividend is given. Total dividend of a share is 1000 rupees and sum invested is 4000 into 100. 0 0 get cancelled, right? 4 ones are. So rate of return is equal to 25%, and rate of return always in percentage side. Next, see here, question number 3. Joseph purchased the following shares. Find his total investment. See here, Joseph invested in 3 companies. The given company A, company B, company C. See here, company A have 200 shares and face value is rupees 2 rupees, premium at rupees 18. Company B is equal to 45 shares, market value is rupees 500, and company share C is equal to 1 share, and MV means market value is equal to 10,540, and given find his total investment. See here, question number 3, the given. See here, solution. तो फर्स्ट हमें डिफरेंट फाइंड कंपनी ए, कंपनी बी एंड कंपनी सी. नेक्स्ट टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट. सी हियर, कंपनी ए, शेयर्स कितने हैं? 200, राइट. एफवी इज रुपीज 2 and premium rupees 80. So find out MV, right? So MV of one share, MV of one share is equal to FV plus premium. Premium means MV is greater than FV. See here, FV is 2 and premium is 80 and 20. MV of one share is equal to 20 rupees. So amount invested in company A is equal to SA. SA is equal to means sum of invested amount, number of shares into MV. Number of shares will be 200 and MV is 20. Answer is 4,000 rupees. Next, in company B, see here, in company B shares are 45 and the given MV is equal to rupees 500, right? See here, the given MV. तो यहाँ फर्स्ट एग्जांपल में MV नहीं था, इसलिए फाइंड आउट किया हम. MV ऑफ वन शेयर इज इक्वल टू 20 रुपीज. दे ऑलरेडी गिवन MV ऑफ वन शेयर इज 500 इंटू 45. तो डायरेक्ट हम सम ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट और अमाउंट invested in company B is SB is equal to number of share into MV. So number of share is 45 into 500. Answer is rupees 22,500. Next, in company C. In company C, have only one share and the given MV is equal to rupees 10,540. And next, amount invested in company C is equal to SC is equal to number of share into MV. Have number is only 1 and MV is the given 10,540. Answer is 10,540. See here, company A total investment is 4,000 rupees, and in company B rupees 22,500, and in company C is rupees 10,540. Therefore total investment is equal to SA plus SB plus SC. 4,000, 22,500 plus 10,540. Therefore, answer is rupees 37,040 rupees. See here, Joseph total investment in 3 companies is 37,040 rupees. See, the next question will be solved in next class. If any doubt, then ask in WhatsApp. Thank you.